Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Sway. I'm gonna make this quick video. Only got one topic today, and it's talking about these drones. It seems to be a hot topic, right? You know, you see unexplained events happening over your head. You don't know what to think. And then our government comes out and says they don't know what they are. They don't know where they're coming from. You know, that's a bunch of bullshit. I'm gonna tell you something. And I said this in my last video. The US government, military, has the technology, the infrastructure to know where these things are being launched from and to know where these things are going back to. We have the technology infrastructure for that. You're not going to tell me the most powerful nation on the planet doesn't know where these drones are coming from. It's a reason why they're not telling us where they're coming from. It's a reason. Some people will sit up here and say, well, you know, they're scanning radiation. They're scanning for radiation. If somebody has a nuclear bomb or whatever, that's bullshit too. When I tell you this is a psyop, this is exactly what it is. It's a psyop. These are privately owned companies with these drones. Privately owned. You talking about Lockheed, Raytheon, you know, you name it. These companies has these drones, and for some reason they're not telling us why these drones are up there. I want somebody to comment and ask me, have you ever heard of the Heligan dialectic? So for the ones who know it, you know, thumbs up in the comment if you ever heard of the Heligan dialectic. But for the ones who don't know what a Heligan dialectic is, it's when a governor in power, the people that's in charge, creates an issue and comes up with the solution of that issue to get things to go their way. And that's what you're seeing right now. The government are creating these issues. Now, you will say, Sway, I've seen, you know, drones go up near an orb. You know, they call them plasmoids right now, whatever that is. You know, they say, Sway, I've seen these drones go towards these plasma balls in the sky. And I actually saw a video. The lady just couldn't hold her freaking camera straight. Just so stupid. But one of the drones went up towards one of these, looked like a little light in the sky, and all of a sudden it came tumbling down. Like it just either hit something or like it got shot out of the sky. I don't take too much into that because, one, the video that's out there is a very unstable video. The woman, she's talking like whispering or some shit, like they can hear her. Right? But I don't take too much into that. Now, I do believe that there are technologies out here that are being used that man didn't create. I go back and look at my videos, I talk about that. You know, fallen angel technology. But what you're seeing with these drones aren't fallen angel technology. I haven't seen too many videos. I mean, there's too many people over Jersey not to say, okay, you know, a drone flew over my house, over my car, and you're not seeing any videos like that. Not a lot. You see these videos from far distance, right? Some people are saying that these drones, once they fly over a house or a car or something, their clocks are going back, something with time, and then it gets reset again, once the drone leaves. I don't buy too much into that. You got to understand that the enemy is very crafty, and you're going to have a bunch of bogus videos being put out. Again, there are too many people in Jersey not to zoom in and see what's going on. Like, show me a clock that went backwards, right? Show me some type of time discrepancy from when a drone flew over. You're not seeing any of that. That's why you got to be careful on the type of stuff that you look at and listen to. Again, this is a psyop, a Heiligen dialectic event that's happening right in front of our eyes, and they came up with the issue, and they're going to come up with the solution to it. Whether it's to put an iron dome in America, like Trump mentioned, he wants an iron dome, or more regulation with these drones. Who knows? Who knows what their agenda is? They're all liars. But I sit back and I look and I say, well, why don't they use an infrared camera or a hyperspectral lens camera? Because those are out there. I'm trying to buy me one myself. I'm trying to buy a hyperspectral lens camera. That's why I need you guys' support, so I can go out there and form me one, man. I need the support. But why aren't these scientists and these geniuses, these eggheads out there not using those type of, night vision cameras and with, 1000x zoom or something on it? Everything's being recorded with a fucking cell phone. It's bullshit. I'm telling you. Don't fall for the trap. Stay prayed up. It's your boy Sway. I'm out.